Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. So y'all already know I didn't feel like getting dressed. I did get my hair braided, but yeah, y'all, I just ain't feel like getting dressed. But y'all not here to see how I look. Y'all here to see what's in this hair box. It's look ashy is because I just washed my hands. Going to go and open it, and it did just come in the mail. Y'all gonna be like, really, Miss Tamika, what you got now? Why YouTube is the plug to do, you know, the plug for advertisement, because I'm telling y'all, I could be watching a video minding my business and then I'll see something and I'll be like, oh, that is so cute. See, but it is a green box. I get all the special packaging here. It usually come in like a little, like an envelope, but this here is like all my return information. First time. Oh yeah, see, it usually comes in an envelope, but it says Happy Mother's Day. And mention really quick, Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful ladies out there. Today is May the 10th, was yesterday, so this here is a part of my Mother's Day gift. I have one more coming at the end of the week. Just follow me on Instagram. You would have saw a sneak peek. So here's the item. Again, it didn't come with the dust bag, you know, like the little tote, shopping tote, but I have a few of them, so I'm not gonna trip. But y'all, look at this. I know you like, okay, Miss Tamika, what did you get? Now you're gonna have me on the Gucci website tonight. I know. But y'all, look what I got. I got the Gucci cosmetic pouch. As this goes along with my big Mother's Day gift. And this here was from my kids. Me the Gucci cosmetic pouch. I was going to get this, or I was going to get the little key thing. And I decided to get this because, again, the gift that I'm getting at the end of the week will be able to fit this. I got my 3 cards. Now I do like how Gucci, like I said, stuff there are things, because like I said, it helps to keep the shape during, you know, during the shipping process, because Louis Vuitton, from the last few items I had, they don't stuff their bags. Now we'll see, you know, how the packaging will be, because if y'all didn't know, it is a Louis Vuitton bag. And so here is the inside of the bag. It's like a green, I don't want to say silky material, but it kind of looks like that. What kind of material is this, y'all? Here, material feels like it's wipeable. Like if you spill something, you can take something and like really wipe it out really quick. Like it looked like it's silk, but it's not. I don't know, I'm getting silk vibes from this. Let me know what's the inside of this hairline. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and pull it up, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and pull it up. It's right here. Let me know if you ever heard of that particular lining. But like I said, it feels like you can, you know, wipe it down. And this is what I was looking at in the smaller version. It had like a key hook, like a key charm. And I was going to get that, but as you can see, it's the same price as this. And then I was like, okay, let's try something different. So I don't know, I just ended up picking this one. So if I didn't mention, you do have a inside pocket, and let's see, and it says Gucci made in Italy. You have a pocket where you can place like I don't know, some things. So what I'm gonna do, I normally do a second video, but since this unboxing is going to be really short, show you some things that I would carry in here, and then I will follow up with a whole review. And mention, I did just get this from the cosmetic company store, and this is something that I will use to touch up my makeup, so I did get this. And then I also like the fact that it comes with a mirror, so we're going to go ahead and throw that inside of here. If I didn't mention, I do have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so let's just say you want to throw that inside. When I tell y'all I got a whole drawer full of lip products, like it's just, oh my gosh, you know, it's just horrible. So let's just say we want to put We're going to carry Tom Ford. We're going to carry this here Barbie. And what is this one? I ain't even open this, y'all. This is terrible. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and place that inside of here. As you can see, I still have room. We're going to put this here in NARS. I think I got this for one of my birthday gifts. We're going to put that inside of here. This to use as a cosmetic pouch, but as you can see, you can actually use this as a clutch. Say if you at work and you carry a big bag, you can use this as a let me grab this bag and run to the grocery store, go to Starbucks, go to lunch, or whatever the case is, and don't have to take a big bag like something like a Neverfull. What else we will put in here? Oh, and let me tell you, I got these here makeup wipes at the cosmetic company store. They are by MAC and they were on clearance for $7.50. And let me just tell you, your girl purchased 4 packs. Like, I think that was the limit, because if not, I was going to get more. Also worked really good. Let's say we're going to carry Gucci. This here Gucci bronzer in here. I want to get the setting powder one, the pink version of this. So that's on my list as well, but it's not a rush, so I'm gonna throw that inside of here. Throw this here bond number 9. If y'all OG, y'all would have remembered this here unboxing. I'm gonna just overstuff this only because I just want y'all to see that it can carry a lot. Pull out all the fancy stuff, y'all. I have another Tom Ford. I have this Guerlain lipstick. We're gonna put that inside of here. We're gonna put this other Tom Ford. I also have another Tom Ford. Y'all don't pay full price for these. Go to the cosmetic company store, because when I purchased one back when I was in New York, back in 2019, I paid $55. These here now are at the cosmetic company store. Now the only thing is all colors are not available, but if you just want to dab a little bit into Tom Ford, go to the cosmetic company store, because I also got this at the cosmetic company store, I think for like $20 or $30, and I think this was like $60 or $70. So yeah, just trying to look out for y'all so y'all can be just as fancy. And this here again from the cosmetic company store, so I'm gonna put that in there. And look at all that I have in there. Let me put this down here so when I take stuff out to show you, it won't mess up my glass. Let's stick some more. Let me see what else I could put in here. You know what? I could put another lip product in here. I don't know if y'all remember these here Fenty lip products. I'm gonna go and throw these lip products in here. And mind you, I had 3. And as you can see, all 3 fit. Now this here is heavy. We're gonna go ahead and close it. On the pull tab, you have the GGs on here. This is made of canvas, to where as though if anything spill on here, you can of course take a wipey or some type of damp cloth and wipe it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and close it so it fits a whole lot. I'm not sure if you can tell how heavy it is by me just holding it. But yeah, you all, this here is really heavy, but it fits everything. But for the sake of the video, I just wanted to overstuff the cosmetic pouch just to let y'all know that you can put a lot in here. What I'm gonna do now is, hopefully my battery don't run out because I see that it's low. But so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out so y'all can see everything that I placed in here. But here is the inside of the bag, just so y'all can see. This is so cute, you all. Okay, so remember I had the 3 Fenty lip products. I had my Tom Ford lipstick. I had my Gucci bronzer. I also had the Guerlain lipstick. The Bond number 9 lipstick. And mind you, these lipsticks are bulky. Oh. Just take that in consideration. I had not 1, not 2, but I think 3 Tom Fords. And as you can see, like I said, these here are not small. They are very bulky and they are heavy. So have this here lip gloss. This here is, I think, I was about to say Ulta. This here is a Sephora, from the Sephora collection. This here I got at TJ Maxx. And this was, I think, like $3.99. Then y'all, I have my cell phone. Then I also have this here NARS Laguna. Yeah, NARS Laguna. I have the time for this from the cosmetic company store. Usually comes with a pouch. They all come with pouch. I'm not gonna say usually. They all come with pouches. So most likely when I throw this in this bag, I will place it inside of this pouch. So really quick, as you can see, all this stuff was inside of this here cosmetic pouch. Like, do y'all see that? Like, this thing holds a lot. And let's just say we're not going to carry a cell phone, because most likely with this here, what I would use this for are probably like my lip products, hand sanitizer, extra face mask, what else, like my Blotterati, my Chanel sheets, you know, things like that. So I'm gonna just put just all the lip stuff in here. I use, yeah, believe it or not, before the Corona, I used to carry about 1,000 lip products. Since everything is kind of getting back to normal, I probably will start carrying more of my lip products. Lip products to me are so pretty. I feel like I just want to carry them around with me even if I don't use them. So yeah, here is this Barbie lipstick. So here is the inside. Now this hair bronzer, like I said, I will not carry in my pouch. And what else? Oh yeah, I did get this from the cosmetic company store. This is Bobbi Brown. And this was like under $10. And I also got the Born This Way concealer because I like this one so much that it's like almost gone. So I ended up getting this. I think this is like the newer version from this. And so yeah, y'all know I like sharing with y'all. Like I said, most likely I'll be carrying, oh, I forgot about this. I'll be carrying like my lip products, hand sanitizer, and things like that. Close it, and to me, closing it helps with holding this, because the way the bag is shaped, like just holding this here, like I said, makes it easier to close. Now I don't know within time will that end up, you know, causing problems, but hopefully not. Bag is shaped, it's like you need something to hold it. But y'all, this thing is so gorgeous. And let me tell you, if you are new to luxury items and you like, hey Miss Tamika, I can't afford to purchase a bag, I highly recommend starting small and work your way up, because that's what I did. Started small and worked my way up to bags. Have to buy a Louis Vuitton, a Gucci bag, or a Chanel bag. Start with little accessories, because I am looking, not no time soon y'all, but down the line purchasing a Chanel accessory. Not a bag, but like a little small pouch, card case, or something like that. Yeah, that's how you do it. Really affordable. And no matter what bag you carry, you can throw this in your bag. You know, you can have a Dooney and Burke or Michael Kors and grab your little Gucci bag out, you know, because like I said, these here are affordable. Gucci, you may have better luck with Gucci small accessories versus Louis Vuitton, because everything small accessory wise is sold out on the Louis Vuitton website, Louis Vuitton store today, because I went and got my Alma BB that key clay or something. I got a hot stamp with my daughter and I initials. And then y'all, I found a essay. Like, yo, I am so excited your girl got an essay. Like, he was like, you don't even have to call and make an appointment, you just text me the day before and I'll pull you right in. I said, see, that's what I'm talking about. So yeah, your girl got her essay, and I got one today, which is May the 10th. So yeah, my battery is blinking. This here Gucci pouch, y'all need to thumbs up this video and also click on that subscribe button, because it helps me to be able to purchase things like this I can share with you all, you know, just in case y'all don't know. You know, Miss Tamika got you. You won't miss out on the big reveal that's coming soon. And I do really appreciate that, because y'all don't know how it makes me feel when I see y'all tag me on Instagram or DM me something like, Miss Tamika, you done did it again, and you show me your picture of your Gucci stuff or whatever. Like, that really warms my heart. Like, I really appreciate the love that I get here on this channel. High end is a little tricky with some people, because some people don't get it, which I understand, because it's not for everybody. But the ones who do get it, I do appreciate you all. So with that being said, again, please don't forget to share this video. Make sure you subscribe, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.